What's up, Howdy? It is I, yours truly, and we are back at it again with another video. Today is today's Friday where I'm at. So happy Friday, everybody. You guys are probably gonna see this Saturday, Sunday, but what's up? How's it going? Happy New Year. Man, it's been a while. It's been about maybe a week, maybe 2 weeks, to be honest, since I last did a video. And today, guys, I went into my little secret treasure trove underneath my desk, and bam, this guy's been hiding underneath there. I forgot when I got this. Most likely it was during my eBay escapades. I think I know what's inside here, and it will be the perfect accessory for my day-to-day. That's all I'm gonna leave. Let's crack this open. That's everything. Backpack buddies. Bet you never seen these before. Oh man, still in mint condition. Basically, in the 90s, these were really popular. Kids, you know, accessorizing their JanSport backpacks and whatnot, and their, you know, pocket protectors. These were king on the playground. This little clip just latches onto your backpack, and they get the cool little dangle. See, I never had these as a kid because I grew up in what we would call the ghetto. So anything you would hang off your backpack or off, you know, your neck, your chain, anything just, you know, you couldn't really keep close to you would get snatched. I've never seen these before, to be honest. This is so cool. Look at this, the OG Charizard. Look at the little guy, got little fluffies right there, and then Mew looking a little. We'll get you some soup and rice, buddy. And then original chunky Pikachu. Look how far we've come. Buddy, you were a big chunky square boy to skinny petite femboy to the chunk. Let's look at the back here. Pokemon push clip-ons made in China for Avon products and distribution. So cool. Oh, they even give us a little blurb on the side here. Zipper pull. Put your zipper pulls on backpacks, belt loops, luggage, handbags, lunch boxes. What? Jackets, briefcases, just about anything that's fun and exciting. That is so cool. Okay. Also, story time. I got these for a steal. I'm gonna see if I can find it in my eBay and then throw it up here for you guys. I think I have for like 15 to like 20 something bucks. And these are usually going around like now for like 8-9 bucks. So it's not like you can't find them, but finding them sealed is kind of a good thing, and getting them on a deal too is always a big bonus. I don't know, guys. I don't even want to open this. This is just way too cool. Alright, maybe I'll mull myself over. I'm gonna put these off to the side and let's open up some other stuff. Let's get the adrenaline going. Pokemon Champions Path. It's been a while, old friend. Triple VMAX Gardevoir. Come on. Good RNG. Good RNG. Here we go. I think it's 1, 2, 3 from the back. Oh, suspicious food tin. Looking a little sus. Pokemon Center lady. Victini. Scraggy. Whoa. Look at this Scraggy lore. Look at them just running around drinking. Is that alcohol in the barrel? Naughty Ray. Roly-Coly. Nickit. Ekans. Whoa, a little scary there. Give some action. Carvana. Reverse Hollow. Energy. Did I do this right? Oh! We got something, folks. Gardevoir V. And oh, it's 4 from the back. Hey, I haven't gotten this lad yet. Gardevoir V, coolio. Alright, anybody else excited for Legends of Arceus? I am counting down the days. Every day I'm just watching new trailers, watching some breakdowns. I want to go in still a little blind, so I just listen like halfway in the shower. And once it got 1, 2, 3, 4, once they start getting a little intimate there, I just like start screaming so I don't hear the spoilers, you know? Okay, dark energy, Liepard, Team Yell. Machoke. Oh, he's about to crack someone in Unite. Galarian Zigzagoon. Scraggy. Rockruff. Okay, we're getting to the nitty gritty here. Vulpix. Wow. Galarian Linoon. Reverse is Lycanroc. And... oh, man! A double V Eldegoss. Ah. Coolio. Feels good to just stop in, smell the flowers. Okay, let's keep it going. We're at 2 Vs on a box. Has our luck run out? I don't think so. That was a bad rip though. It's been just a bunch of dry hits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, let's get something. Max Mofa would be proud. If I get the VMAX Charizard, I'm gonna tag him in this. See what he says. See if he responds back. That would be epic. Fire. Then we got the Fire Boy. Then we got Old Man. Not looking good. Not looking good. Galarian Linoon. Nick it. We're getting a lot of repeaters now. Oh, Machop on a Pokemon rescue mission. Here to save the day. Whip, just in case you guys forgot. Nene. Nene for Machop. Ekans. Swablu. Okay, we're getting some new here. Absol. Oh man, the RNG radar is going off. It's going off. What do we have as the last card? Some fucking bullshit. Ow. Oh no. Oh, this shit's rough. Fucking Zygarde. Could have been worse. It could have been worse. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the game goes on. Psychic. Beedrill. Okay, okay. This is looking different. Okay, Milo. Okay, this guy's buff. I strive to be this buff one day. You know, farm boy strength. Absol. Scraggy lore. Carvana. Okay, we're at the halfway point. Zigzagoon. Kakuna just chillin'. He'd just be chillin' though. Roly Colioli. And the reverse. Zygarde. Last card. Let's do another slow roll. I'm gonna close my eyes. Slow roll. 3, 2. Meow! Altaria. Okay, that's new. That's okay. Look at him. Oh, did I just pull a Swablu earlier? I did. Look at them. They're friends. They are friends. Maybe family even. Cousins almost. Distant relatives, I'd say. Well, that was good. Guys, I don't really know which one I want to open. I only want to open one. I'll probably keep the rest sealed and then replenish the one I opened. But like I said, you know, this doesn't cost too much, about, you know, 25 bucks. I wouldn't pay more than 25 bucks for all 3 of these. Thanks for hopping on today, you guys. Really appreciate it. Had a blast as always. I cannot fucking wait. Legends of Arceus. It's just right around the corner. It's about fucking 21 days away. All right, try to keep your boots. Gotta keep your snakes in your boots in the meantime, okay? You guys already know a Let's Play is coming. It is on the way. It is going to happen. Treat yourself good. Treat yourself to a bath. Good night. Mwah!
You are gay.